Microsoft is planning to take over a significant share on OpenAI and ChatGPT, and Jerome Powell in the US is bringing down potentially Bitcoin to $14,000. Stay tuned if you want to learn more on what's going on in the stocks and the crypto world. Hello and Katching! This is Bernie from Katching Secrets, and I'm giving you a market update on in the financial world, in the stocks world, in the crypto space, what's going on this week. And there are significant things. Before we're starting, we had our goal setting workshop. So if you didn't set your goals for 2023, surfed into our YouTube channel, their goal setting for workshop for 2023, including all the workbook and everything you need. It's a roughly 2-hour workshop, so close to 2 hours, and it will give you security, clarity about your year 2023, and it will improve your year. I promise to you, this is something that I really can promise to you. So surf to our YouTube channel. Let's open it up. Let's open YouTube. I will share my screen right away. So here we go. Here we go. This is YouTube. You just search for Katching Secrets. A little bit slow here today. You go into our channel here, into the Katching Secrets channel. And on videos, and here you don't see it. So it's not online yet, but here you will find it. You will find the video for the goal setting workshop on this page. Just go to the YouTube site, to the YouTube page for Katching Secrets, and there you will find the video. All right, what's going on? Microsoft is acquiring and significant share in OpenAI. They are investing $10 billion, and the valuation of OpenAI ChatGPT is $29 billion. In the meanwhile, $30 billion. So ChatGPT is the famous AI tool where you can just ask questions and it will write you. It was going like crazy. Buzz was going like crazy during the last weeks. So Microsoft is taking a significant share on that. This makes Microsoft very interesting, in my opinion, as an investment, because this is an investment for the future. Microsoft's revenue is around $200 billion per year, and the profits are, or the EBITDA, which means the earnings before the interest, before all the deductions and so on, is around $100 billion. So this is achievable. This is affordable for Microsoft. And in the future, this will be a huge business, and they could become market leader. They could outperform even Google with that. So amazing move by Microsoft. So respect for this decision. And talking about Microsoft, I find Microsoft is a very interesting valued company. I have here Guru Focus telling me some of the figures. So debt to equity ratio is something I'm looking at, which is pretty okay. Then the PEG ratio is around 1. That means the price to earnings. So how the price development to the earnings development in the future, the growth is related. And this is below 1. That means that the earnings are faster than the price, the stock price. And if it's above 1, that means that the price is growing a little bit faster than the earnings. So nevertheless, Microsoft, in my opinion, an interesting investment opportunity. Let's move on to Amazon and Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs says, on the one hand, they are cutting 3,200 employees Amazon is cutting as well 1,600 jobs in where was it, in the UK, in England. They are cutting around 2,000 jobs as well. And on the other hand, and this is the interesting part that I found, that Goldman Sachs says there is no longer, they're not expecting a recession in 2023 in Europe. So on the one hand, they say no recession. On the other hand, they are just getting rid of their employees. So let's see what's going on there. JP Morgan is the same thing. JP Morgan says sticks to hiring plans and dials back the predictions of an economic hurricane. So they say they predicted that there will be an economic hurricane, and in the future that the economy, the recession will come down, and that everything is going like crazy, and they stepped back from that. Another thing, the next thing, GE, General Electric, has had a spin-off. GE Healthcare is a spin-off of General Electric, and it seems that there was a lot of buzz around that company. Very interesting company, very interesting investment opportunity. Should you invest? I didn't investigate it fully right now, GE Healthcare, but as far as I found out, it is an interesting opportunity, especially now after the spin-off. So after they have been brought out of the system, out of GE, out of General Electric. So then we have had gold. Gold is trading at its 8-month high, and analysts expect it to continue. And in my opinion, I would like to show you the gold chart. We need to get to an end to get to the end of gold. Here it is. So I'm opening it up for you. Here we have the gold chart. Pink was the first prediction. Blue was the first prediction. Pink is the second prediction. As you can see, both of them are still valid. It was even going higher. So currently, gold is touching here the upper part of this drawing. Let's see if this is bouncing back from here. At the next setback of gold, I will purchase more gold, because gold will be the currency of the year, in my opinion. When the recession hits officially, then gold will be a good safe haven. Before we transition into the crypto space, follow us on TikTok. So we have Catching Secrets is our handle, Catching Secrets 1. Just follow us, and there you will get insights into the world, into the financial world, into the crypto space, and find interesting stuff. Coinbase. Let's go move to the crypto space. Coinbase is getting rid of 20% of their workforce. In September, they got rid of 20%. Now they have 20% more. What does it mean? Huobi, another exchange, is also confirming they are 20% or laying off 20% of their workforce. So everyone expecting recession, everyone in fear of everything is going down. So basically, what's the outcome for us? What's the learning from that? Basically, it's like this: if employees get fired, they have a limited time and money to spend for their expenses. This drives down the economy. So the more companies are firing people, the less people are consuming, and this could become a vicious circle. And then at a certain point, so we have to be carefully watching what's happening in the employees market, with the employees of the companies in the future. Another interesting statistics that I came across was this one. So this is the annual profits and losses of Bitcoin in the years. And as you can see, in 2013 we gained Bitcoin gained 457%. In 2017, 1,369%. 19, 20, 21 was a little bit lower in profits. Last year was negative. So what's happening with the next year, with 2023? Will it be profitable? Will it be positive? Basically, we can't predict it if it's next year or the year afterwards, but I would say latest in 2024, when the next halving is taking place, the next halving of Bitcoin is taking place, then the prices will start going up again. What else do we have? Nigeria is creating, so it's very interesting, Nigeria to create a legal framework for stablecoins and ICOs. So ICOs are initial coin offerings. When a crypto company goes public, they are doing an ICO, and they are launching their coin through this process of the ICO, and then you can mostly buy their coins for a discount. So Nigeria wants to establish now as a hub, as a zone where cryptocurrencies can be used, for example, to do payments. So instead of using fiat money, cryptocurrency should be established. A very interesting topic in the crypto space about McKinsey. McKinsey is a consulting company, huge. They're consulting huge companies, huge businesses, doing consulting for them. And they say Metaverse is possibly creating a 5 trillion in value by 2030. So this is also an opportunity for us. ApeCoin, for example, is very, very interesting to hold. And if you want to learn more about it, just write down in the comments. I want to learn more about it, and we will approach you. Then Powell says due to he wants to avoid inflation, and this could mean that the Bitcoin price is going down to $14,000. So let's see where this is heading. My opinion on Bitcoin. Let's open this up shortly. Here is Bitcoin. You're seeing Bitcoin going really hard up recently. So in my opinion, we could land here at 15,000. So currently, yesterday, today, we have seen really huge up moves. So the next target would be around 20,000 for me. And then I would expect the price to come down significantly. Maybe this is some kind of a fake that we're seeing currently. So here, and we're coming back here and going to the next step up really soon. What else? So basically that's it for today. Let's have a short look in our Pi challenge. If you don't know what a Pi investing is, invest yourself to freedom with a Pi. Pi is an instrument by Trading 212. On our YouTube channel we have the Pi challenge. So just look for the playlist Invest Yourself to Freedom with a Pi in our YouTube channel, and there you find a 5-part series for how to set up your Pi. And this is our current Pi. It went down 6, or it is actually down 6%, whereas the S&P 500 index, let's see where this is currently at compared to the Pi. So this line here on the top, this yellow one is where the Pi started. You can see it here. And if I'm going down here from this yellow line to the current price, it says roughly 15%. So our Pi is still outperforming the index, and I expect it to go very soon into the positives as soon as the market stays healthy. And currently, interest rates are not taken higher for the moment, and this is perceived very positively from the market, from the stock space, from the crypto space. As you have seen, everything going up currently. In my opinion, this is not the end, so we will come back down again, and then it's maybe a good time to enter, to build up your positions. I wish you an amazing week, amazing profits. See you next week in the next weekly Catching Up. Until then, catching and happy profits. Bye bye.